Hey guys, I'm back again. This is Tesla Blaine, and today I have what I think is really needed in my Tesla Model Y. I got a 2020 version. You could also, the 5-seater version, you could also install these on the 2021 models. What it is, it's the second row seat back cushions. That way, if you want to lay down one seat, the middle one, or the other one, they're still protected. So let me install them and show you what I'm talking about. But it's something that I personally need and have been wanting for a long time. All right, so now these are the mats I'm talking about. They come in 3 pieces. You can see that they're individually cut out for the second row back seat. They are held on by the Velcro. You have these little Velcro pieces right here. So that's how they're going to be held on. You just push them on, and if you need to take them off and clean them or anything, you can. But they're made out of this really thick padding, and they have a really good leather material right here. So what's going to be good about them is, you know, obviously if you got a Tesla, you probably got a package of baby wipes in your car to help keep your seats clean and everything. So you just take the baby wipes down on these, wipe them up, wipe them down, and they'll be clean again. So let's go ahead and install these things. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do, take a look at these, figure out which one's which. Here is my middle one. Now the middle one's got this bar cut out, because you know about the bar. It goes right there. There you go. See the bar right there? All right. So I'm gonna put this one just like this. There you go. Just make sure that those fold down in there. Perfect. All right. Let's do the other side. All right, so you're gonna make sure that the hook is right there. There we go. And this little cutout is for your hinge point. Make sure the top lined up all the way across. I'll go ahead and put this part down below the flap there. That way it'll fold down in there, correct? There we go, just like that. Do the same thing with this one. I'm gonna make sure that my top is on there. Pick up the flap. There we go. And it's installed. Let's see here. There we go. Just gotta push those down in there. There we go. Not too bad. So a couple of things that I really like about these is that they are on a split seat design, because there's been numerous times when me and my wife are in the front and my daughter's in the back, and then we go and buy something big. Well, I like to be able to leave up one seat so my daughter could sit there and then lay down the other 2 seats And then when we put stuff in here, these will help protect the back of my seats from getting damaged. Another thing that I like to do a lot is I like to go to Home Depot and Lowe's, and I do a lot of woodworking projects. And I mean, by the way, you can put a 11-foot long piece of wood trim inside your Tesla Model Y and still be able to close the doors. Put it all the way up there towards the window, set it all the way in the back, and it'll fit. But anyways, I think I've loaded in here close to about 20, maybe it's about 15 2x4 8-footers, and I had them going right up the middle here. And having something like that on the back of the seat is going to help a lot. So it's going to keep the carpet from getting all the wood shavings and everything in there. So you definitely need some type of matte material on the back of your seats to help protect them when you are going to load in your big items. If you're going to put a big old TV box in there, sliding it up, this will help it slide all the way up in there. So I really like these seat back cushions, and what I really like about it is when you take them apart and the seats come apart, they will still lay down and stay on. I had a different style mat before that came straight up the back, but the problem is when I went to lay down one seat, that mat was still there, and it was just a pain. It only worked good if you're laying all 3 seats down at one time. So that's the reason why I was really looking forward to getting these split design seat backs here. So if these are something you're interested in, the description is down below. They're made by Basenor. They've been around for a long time, the company. And the Amazon link will be down below in the description, so click that if you want to check it out. If this is something you like, and you like the way it looks in my car, and you got a 2020 Tesla Model Y or a 21 Tesla Model Y, then this will be the thing for you. So, hey, if you haven't done so already, give me a like up on this video. If you please hit that subscribe button, and most of all, guys, be safe out there, have fun, and keep driving. Thanks, guys. Bye.